Paragraph number 1. Before I was 2 years old, a circumstance happened which I have never forgotten. It was early in the spring. There had been a little frost in the night, and a little light mist still hung over the woods and meadows. I and the other colts were feeding at the lower part of the field when we heard, quite in the distance, what sounded like the cry of dogs. The oldest of the colts raised his head, pricked up his ears, and said, "There are the hounds," and immediately cantered off, followed by the rest of us, to the upper part of the field, where we could look over the hedge and see several fields beyond. My mother and an old riding horse of our masters were also standing near and seemed to know all about it. Keep underlining the words which I have highlighted. Number 1. Circumstance. Any incident or happening. Frost means crystals of ice formed on things. Here you can see the example of frost in this picture. Mist, water droplets suspended in the atmosphere. Woods means forest. Here you can see mist and woods. Meadows means a piece of grassland. Here you can see meadows. Pricked up his ears. Look at this picture. Look at the ears. This is the way how ears are standing upwards. They are pointed upwards. Hounds. Here you can see hounds. Hounds. Dogs trained specially for hunting. Cantered off. Move at center in a particular direction. Hedge. A boundary formed with the bushes closely planted. Here you can see hedges. Look at the boundary formed with small bushes on the both sides of the path. This story is told by a horse. So the young horse is telling that when it was 2 years old, an incident happened. What was that incident? That in spring season,